Ever notice how you open your whole garage door just to grab one small thing? It's loud. It dumps cold air into the garage, and every cycle adds wear on your opener and springs. Now imagine walking in like a normal door instead, without losing heat in winter. That's the difference a pass-through door makes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how a pass-through garage door works, how it's built, the benefits, customization options, and why it's becoming popular in Montreal homes. A pass-through door gives you direct entry without opening the full garage door. If you're grabbing tools, sports gear, or accessing your garage gym, it saves time, keeps things quiet, and improves day-to-day convenience. Opening the full garage door lets all your warm or cool air escape. The pass-through door keeps the main door closed, so your garage stays more comfortable all year. Every full door cycle puts stress on springs, rollers, cables, and your opener. Using the pass-through reduces the number of cycles per day, extending the lifespan of your system. A pass-through door isn't simply cut into the panel. It's built with wide aluminum molds that reinforce the entire opening and tie into the hinges for long-term alignment. The door is built very solid. The pass-through is fully sealed on all four sides with weather stripping and a threshold at the bottom. This blocks drafts, dust, and moisture like a proper exterior door. Top and bottom aluminum retainers reinforce the panel and prevent flexing. They help keep the door rigid when the main door operates. Every pass-through comes with a standard handle and key lock. If you prefer a smart lock, you can supply your own, and we'll install it. If you want to use a garage door opener, the pass-through door includes a safety cutoff switch. If the pass-through is open, the main garage door will not operate. This protects the system and prevents accidents. If your garage door is insulated, the pass-through is constructed to match that insulation, so performance stays consistent across the entire door. Pass-through doors come in many color options, so you can match your existing garage door perfectly. There are many design options available for new doors, ranging from short panel, flush, or multi-rib designs. The pass-through is built into the same style for a clean, uniform look. You can add windows just like a regular door, top sections, side modern windows, frosted or clear glass. A matching window can also be added to the pass-through leaf. The pass-through is placed a few inches from the bottom and top of the door for strength. It's designed for foot traffic, not rolling heavy items through like recycling bins. You can place the pass-through anywhere on the garage door, but we normally recommend it to be nearest to your front door. We can install a pass-through on many new or existing doors depending on thickness and panel design. Contact us to check compatibility or get a quote. They are perfect for daily trips into the garage, tools, bikes, outdoor gear, without running the full door. If your garage doubles as a mudroom, home gym, or storage zone, the pass-through gives clean access directly into that space. A pass-through is much quieter than opening the full garage door, ideal for early mornings or late nights. If the power goes out or your opener fails, you still have access through the pass-through. That's the full breakdown of how the pass-through door works. If you want an estimate or want to check if your door qualifies, contact us anytime.